Sampath Bank PLC is proud to present its 9th Integrated Annual Report, Strength in Motion, with external assurance obtained on sustainability and integrated reporting criteria. Since opening its doors to the public, Sampath Bank has been credited with many firsts that have often been responsible for elevating the local banking sector on par with global standards. These were our key strategic themes in 2022. Safeguarding credit quality, improving fee-based income, managing cost of funds, effective risk management and control, stringent capital planning and liquidity management, strengthening governance systems, enhancing internal system efficiency, aligning with information security best practices, updating digital customer interfaces, enhancing customer convenience, supporting the CBSL's technology integration roadmap, driving employee productivity, supporting employee well-being and engagement, promoting financial inclusion, community empowerment, climate action, green finance taxonomy and its readiness. Despite the widespread economic uncertainty of 2022, Sampath Bank focused on achieving a strong capital base and a steady liquidity profile. The bank has also been prudent and conservative in respect of the provisioning for impairments. These efforts are aimed at reinforcing the financial stability of not only the bank, but of the financial system as a whole. Sampath Bank prioritized all aspects of national economic security in 2022, promoting inward remittances, encouraging the inflow of export proceeds into the country, and allocating resources for the import of fuel, gas, and other essentials. Sampath Bank continued to lead by example by assisting all stakeholders to navigate the current economic crisis by offering highly targeted and customized solutions to assist most vulnerable stakeholders. Many customers in the tourism sector whose moratoria ended in 2022, for instance, were offered customized restructuring and rescheduling solutions. Amidst muted credit demand and very real concerns regarding the debt repayment capacity of borrowers under high inflationary conditions and rising interest rates, lending across all formats were consciously managed. Multi-pronged approaches to safeguard the bank's consumer banking portfolio included efforts to curb the exposure to leasing and housing advances and also mitigate the credit concentration risk to the housing and condominium sector, while also capitalizing on the rising world gold prices to promote gold loans. The bank also supported the SME sector where possible through special credit facilities to encourage the investment in the import substitution space, in particular through local manufacturing. A new credit nursing unit was set up to assist both retail and corporate borrowers in capital planning and liquidity management, while a dedicated internal advisory team was put in place to offer specialist advice to exporters, especially SMEs and startups. We expanded Sampath Bank's e-remittance service, a convenient, fast and cost-effective medium for Sri Lankans living overseas to remit much-needed foreign currency to the country safely and legally. Sampath Bank's flagship community initiative, the Vavata Jivayak Tank Restoration Program, has been responsible for rehabilitating long-neglected irrigation infrastructure mainly in Sri Lanka's dry zone, thus providing a lifeline to countless small-scale rural farming families who live in surrounding villages, including the 4 latest restoration projects undertaken in 2022 in Tambulla, Talava, Tambana and Maho. The Vavata Jivayak Tank Restoration Program has seen a total of 16 tanks restored to date. Sampath Bank achieved a commendable performance for the financial year 2022 in spite of incessant market and operational disruptions. The bank concluded 2022 with a profit after tax of 13.1 billion rupees, a 5.4% year-on-year growth. This is after recognizing substantial impairment provisions on loans and investments to absorb potential losses. Total assets of the bank grew by 10.4% to reach 1.3 trillion rupees as the year end 2022. While supporting our customers, the nation and our own financial position, we have not lost sight of our ESG goals, having performed admirably across all three pillars of environmental, social and governance. Our strategic sustainability framework too continued to help us align our activities with and support the achievement of the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals through 2022. With the lessons learned and experiences gained in 2022, we are ready for the challenges of 2023 and beyond and look forward to continuing to present your future.